Hi everybody, it's me, Mike Celestino from LaughingPlace.com, and I have received this very nice looking box from our friends at Disney Products. It says Star Wars Day, May the 4th be with you on the side, and the rest of the box is just covered with a star field, except the other side, which also says May the 4th be with you. I'm very excited to open this up. I have literally no idea what's inside, but it's a nice size box. It really could be just about anything in there. I've got my handy box cutter here. I'm gonna slice this right open so we can take a look at some of Disney's Star Wars products for May the 4th, 2022. I'm assuming that's what's inside here. Let's see what we've got. Okay, some packing material. And first thing that jumps out at me is the Star Wars Galactic Pals Rodian from the new Galactic Pals series. There's a series of animated shorts you can watch on YouTube, on the Star Wars Kids YouTube, and they also released these very fun looking kind of plush and plastic dolls for younger kids. There's an Ewok, a Jawa, a Wookiee, and this Rodian here. He's got a little carry pouch. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Looks like a holocron type thing. Maybe that's in the cartoons. Maybe I should watch the shorts. But yeah, very cool looking. Let's see if we can get him out of the package here. Oh, he's got a little bit of twine holding him in there. Let's see. Open this up. Let's see if I can cut that. Okay. Alright, so there is the little baby Rodian in his pouch from Star Wars Galactic Pals. Take him out of the pouch. Very nice looking. Ooh, got a little dirty on his nose there, probably from shipping. Here's the top view. Yeah, and you can carry around, younglings can carry him around in this pack, in this little pouch here. So he just sits inside there. He's a nice little toy for younger kids who are getting into Star Wars. If they love Greedo or Wald or any of the Rodian characters that we know and love. Wani from Galactic Star Cruiser. You can have your own baby Rodian now. Okay, next thing that jumps out at me is Star Wars Brotherhood, which I've already read, actually, and my review is going to be going up with the embargo on May 3rd. And I thought this book was fantastic. I thought it was really terrific. It takes place at the beginning of the Clone Wars, kind of before the events of the animated series, because Ahsoka has not yet been introduced as Anakin's Padawan, but it's about Anakin and Obi-Wan's travels to the planet Cato Nemoidia that they reference in Revenge of the Sith, and what that whole adventure was about. But yeah, highly recommend this book by Mike Chen, and of course it's intended to kind of be released around the same time that the Obi-Wan Kenobi series is coming to Disney Plus as sort of a marketing kind of tie-in. Although, who knows if anything that happens in this book will be referenced in that series. But it's nice to see these characters again. This guy's really good at writing Anakin and Obi-Wan and a couple other familiar characters that we know from the prequel era. So yeah, highly recommend Star Wars Brotherhood. Speaking of Obi-Wan, I got a Star Wars The Black Series 50th anniversary Obi-Wan Kenobi from, looks like maybe the Attack of the Clones era. Oh no, this is Revenge of the Sith era, actually, because it's talking about his duel with Anakin on Mustafar. So I guess this is the outfit he wears in Revenge of the Sith. There's Ewan McGregor as Obi-Wan Kenobi, again coming to Disney Plus very soon. So it's very nice to have that in the Lucasfilm 50th anniversary packaging from Hasbro Star Wars The Black Series. Then, let's see. Ooh, what's this? This is heavy. Star Wars The Death Star Homesick, natural soy wax blend, hand poured in the USA. Luke and Leia swinging over the Death Star chasm there. Han and Chewie firing Han's blaster in. Oh yeah, they're both got their weapons out there. The Death Star, top notes, smoked amber. These are all the ingredients. Tobacco. I honestly have no idea what this is. Imagine bolts of smoked amber and forged steel rise from clashing lightsabers, filling vast chambers of cold cement with electric notes, leather, and black myrrh. Tempt you to the dark side. We create authentic hand-poured products that celebrate the people, places, and moments that mattered most. Homesick.com. Is it a candle? It is a candle. Okay. So that's nice. The Death Star. This is what this company, Homesick, imagines the Death Star smells like. Let me take a whiff here. Sure. I guess. I never tried to imagine what the Death Star might smell like, but I guess this is as close as anyone might guess. So that's from homesick.com. The Death Star candle. Cool. And then we've got Star Wars The Mandalorian, the Child Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. We have many products related to Grogu, aka Baby Yoda, aka the child, in this home, but we do not have a wireless Bluetooth speaker yet, so I'm gonna open this up. Maybe at the end of the stream I'll see how well this works here. This is from Biddy Boomers. Biddy Boomers is the name of the line, and it's from Disney. Bluetooth, Biddy Boomers. StarWars.com. At Biddy Boomers is the Twitter, or maybe the Instagram, and you can go to biddyboomers.com to find out more. Oop, okay, here's a little Grogu head and his little potato sack that he wears. And it does come with a USB cable that we can use to plug him in and charge him. I'll try this out at the end of the stream. We'll get some tunes pumping out of little Grogu here before we wrap things up. I just want to see what else we've got inside here. We got a little note from Disney Parks Experiences and Products, just to let you know that they did send this over to us, complimentary for us to check out and tell you about it. Grogu car freshener from Homesick as well, that same company that makes the candle. And if that smelled like the Death Star, what do you think this smells like? Imagine Grogu's meditative presence as he reaches out with the Force. Notes of gardenia fill the air with touches of lavender and rosemary. It's for a car. Ugh. There's little Grogu. Sure. I believe it. That's what Grogu smells like. You can't smell it on the video. I can smell it here. And you can get your own from homesick.com. Little Grogu car air freshener with him waving there. May the 4th be with you. Thank you for celebrating with us this year. May the 4th be with you this Star Wars Day. As you prepare for this celebratory day, please enjoy these exciting new items, specially curated to help you showcase your love for all things Star Wars. We hope the items included in the mailing help you inspire your festivities commemorating a galaxy far, far away. Always visit StarWars.com for more information, and we'll hashtag this when I put it out. May the 4th be with you and Star Wars Day. We've got Mattel, Hasbro, Del Rey, Lego, Biddy Boomers, and Homesick all represented in this box. And I did mention Lego there, and this seems to be the biggest and probably the thing I am most excited for in this package. The Lego Dagobah Jedi Training. Wow, that's a cool looking set. So I have the previous Yoda's Hut Lego set that they put out, and it's much tinier than this. It's probably like this size, like just this part right here, but this has the big tree around it. Of course, it also comes with minifigures of Yoda, Luke Skywalker in his Dagobah fatigues, and a muddy version of R2-D2, which I don't think the other one was all muddied up like that. So I like that quite a bit. You've got the sunken wing of Luke's X-Wing in the Dagobah swamp there. It's just a real cool looking set, and they do put it in this nice looking like black frame because it is intended to be an 18 and older display model, not designed for children, made for adult collectors, which I like that Lego is leaning into that audience of the adult collectors, because I am certainly one of those. Here's the back side of the box with just a different angle of the set, and you've got what it looks like on display there, the back side of Yoda's hut with Yoda inside, and then just a still from the movie of Luke reaching out with the Force to attempt to raise that X-Wing out of the swamp. Of course, we know he doesn't quite do it. Yoda has to do it for him, and Luke learns one of his big lessons from The Empire Strikes Back. Very excited. I think we may have to do a separate video of building and reviewing this Lego set, because I've been super excited since they announced this, and I think that's going to make a nice separate YouTube video for us here on the Laughing Place YouTube channel. Let's see what else is inside here, if anything. This is just an ad for the new Obi-Wan comic book that's coming from Marvel. So fast approaches the ultimate destiny of one of the Jedi's most renowned masters. I will definitely be reviewing that when it comes out. Correction, this is actually a free digital copy of the Star Wars Obi-Wan issue #1 coming from Marvel Comics. I like to get physical comics, so I'm going to buy my own copy of the Obi-Wan comic. So I'm going to cover up the code that's on here, and I'll use that to review this comic when it comes out on May the 4th. Very excited about that. More packing material. And that's what we got. But that's quite a lot of stuff, quite a nice selection of stuff sent over again by Disney Parks, Experiences, and Products for us to check out. I can't wait to open all this up. And like I said, I'm going to do a separate unboxing and review video for that Lego set, the Dagobah Jedi training set that I've been excited for a long while. Okay, last couple of things. I did open up the package for this Hasbro, the Black Series archive collection, Obi-Wan Kenobi from Revenge of the Sith. So I did want to show you what he looks like out of the package. Let's put his lightsaber in his hand here. Okay, so there's Obi-Wan. I have the high ground, Anakin. Okay, it's got the nice blue lightsaber with the appropriate looking hilt. Very nice likeness of Ewan McGregor. Let's put him over here by the Brotherhood book. Okay, lastly, I promised to play some music out of little Grogu Bluetooth speaker here from Bitty Boomers. And what I had to do was turn this on and follow the instructions that was included in the packaging, and then pair it with my iPhone. So I'm just going to open up my iPhone here and play a little bit of music for you. Here we go. Okay, that's all I could play without getting a copyright strike. So that's very cool. Very nice to have that. I'm going to turn him off. You just press this button and hold it down and he'll turn off. But yeah, nice little Bluetooth speaker. And just before I wrap up, here's one last look at everything that was included. The Death Star candle from Homesick, the Lego Dagobah Jedi training set, very cool. We're going to have another video about that. Grogu Bluetooth speaker from Biddy Boomers, Grogu air freshener from Homesick as well, Rodian from Star Wars Galactic Pals, and Del Rey books, Star Wars Brotherhood by Mike Chen, again highly recommended, and of course Star Wars The Black Series from Hasbro, Obi-Wan Kenobi from the Archive collection. Very cool, and thanks again to Disney Products for sending out this cool box of Star Wars. May the 4th be with you, products. Thanks very much. My name is Mike Celestino. Check out laughingplace.com for all your Disney news and opinions. And may the 4th be with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.